The accidental live stream that skyrocketed sales. The story of Little Sleepies. Can a casual online moment turn a small business into a booming brand? In 2018, Meredith Frankel, founder of Little Sleepies, a children's pajama company, was struggling to gain traction. One evening, she decided to do an impromptu Facebook Live to show off her new pajama designs. Meredith, with her kids in the background, shared why her pajamas were softer, comfier, and perfect for little ones. She spoke candidly, just a mom talking to other moms, without any fancy marketing gimmicks. What happened next was unexpected. The video resonated deeply with parents, quickly going viral within parenting groups. Orders surged, and within weeks, Little Sleepies became a must-have brand for families across the country. That one unscripted live stream not only boosted sales but also created a loyal community around her brand. This story proves that authenticity and connection are powerful tools in business. Sometimes the most unplanned moments can lead to the greatest successes. Follow me for more inspiring business stories and tips that could be the spark for your next big break.